Okay, here you can see where we have marked out a row of corn stalks to show the different diameters of the stalks. And as you can see, this variety of corn has huge brace roots. And as you go along, you can see the varying diameters in the row, but there's hardly any grain on the ground whatsoever. There's a couple kernels there. But as you can see, the rule of thumb is 2 kernels per square foot is a bushel to the acre. We've got a row here about 8 feet long. We've probably got 10 to 12 kernels on the ground. This is a cross section going across the width of the head. And again, you can see the varying diameters of the stalks, and you can also see that we don't have any grain loss again. Here's one with a huge brace root. No kernels, one little kernel right there left on the ground. This is a late model 608 chopping head above serial number 75,000. And you can see that we're getting a couple kernels here and there, but as a rule, across the width of the head, we're adjusting equally. Here's a bigger one, and we got a big one, another big one, then we drop down to a smaller stalk. So the tensioner is squeezing down and preventing kernel loss through the deck plates. The other thing is the straight edge and the lip on the deck plate funnels that corn up into the cross auger of the corn head, saving grain loss. In the cross section, you can see all the orange rows. There's very few kernels of corn in that distance across the field. This is Deckplate Solutions, and this is a way to make your corn head make smart decisions. You have the ability to maximize and minimize the width from the cab and let the tensioners do their job going through the field. Bill adjusts these usually 2 to 3 times a day, depending on the hybrid he's in, and the rest of the time the torsioners, DPS torsioners, and the deck plates together do their job. These deck plates are special made with abrasion resistant steel on them. This will probably be the last set of deck plates you buy. They won't wear. They have a lip on them the height of a flat kernel of corn. Any free grain you get on the deck plates is then swept in by the husks and the stalks, any trash that's going into the combine. What you do is you tighten down the electric hydraulic deck plates until you start to get a couple stalks coming in the head, and gently back it off. And that's how you run them, and you leave them set there till you get more stalks come in, or if you don't have any trash ever coming in, you can widen them out or you can narrow them up some more. But that's the proven technology behind this product. Any questions, call Brian Obink, 712-260-8338. We make them for 34, 44, John Deere 40, 90, and both versions of the 608 head. Below 7,500,000 serial number and above. Again, any questions, call Brian Obink, 712-260-8338.